Mount Kailash, the abode of the venerated god Shiva, according to the ancient Hindu traditions, is a major religious site for not only Hindus, but also three other religious groups, such as Jainism, Buddhism, and Bon. Every year, thousands of pilgrims undertake an arduous journey to reach the holy mountain and circumnavigate the 52 kilometers path around it, and take a dip in the holy Mansarovar lake. This religious tradition has continued since thousands of years. So friends, let's start to unlock the secret facts of Mount Kailash. Secret facts of Mount Kailash. 1. The pyramidal shape of the mountain. The unusual shape of Mount Kailash continues to intrigue people all over the world. Russian scientists, in fact, have suggested that the mountain is not natural, but a man-made giant pyramid. They also suggested that the mountain is a part of a vast complex of other smaller pyramids. The strict orientation of the mountain to all the cardinal points of the compass also lends credence to this theory. 2. Mansarovar Lake. Mansarovar Lake is a large freshwater lake, located under the shadow of Mount Kailash. The existence of a large freshwater lake, at such a high elevation of 4,590 meters above sea level, is certainly impressive. The word, Mansarovar, has been derived from the Sanskrit words, manas, meaning mind, and sarovar, meaning lake. The lake is extremely beautiful, with an emerald green color at the center and clear blue color at the shores. The devotees make it a point to take a dip in the lake, in order to attain spiritual peace. 3. The location. Mount Kailash is located at the axis of the world, which is also called the axis mundi, by different religious traditions. The mountain is in perfect synchronization with the poles of the earth and other ancient monuments. For example, it is at an exact distance of 6,666 kilometers from the Stonehenge monument. According to Hindu, Buddhist, and Jain cosmology, the Mount Kailash connects the physical world to the spiritual world. Mount Kailash is also considered as the mythical Mount Meru mountain, which is the spiritual axis of the world. 4. Rapid aging effect. The mountain is known to cause rapid aging in people who visit the area. People have reported a rapid growth of hair and nails in the vicinity of the mountain. For example, spending a 12 hours period near the mountain causes the length of the nails and hair to increase to a level which is only possible in 2 weeks' duration under normal conditions. Speculations are made about a mysterious energy surrounding the mountain, which causes rapid aging. 5. 4 faces of the mountain. The 4 faces of Mount Kailash are made of lapis lazuli, crystal, and gold. This is in accordance with the Vishnu Purana, which provides a description of Mount Kailash. Mount Kailash has been called the pillar of the world. 6. The Lake Mansarovar. In addition to the Lake Mansarovar as described above, there is another lake called Devil's Lake, which is located next to the Mansarovar Lake, but is separated from it by a thin isthmus of mountains. What is quite intriguing is the fact that while the Lake Mansarovar remains calm under every kind of weather conditions, the Devil's Lake is consistently stormy. These twin lakes carry a spiritual significance and are considered to be the symbols of the difference between the good and the bad. 8. The mystery of Shambhala. Mount Kailash has also been called the gateway to the mythical kingdom of Shambhala. The ancient Tibetan texts describe Shambhala as a spiritual country that is located northwest of Kailash. Shambhala is believed to be the hidden kingdom, and has been the objective of many explorers who have searched for this hidden kingdom. But nobody has been successful, with many disappearing without a trace. 9. Unclimbed mountain. Mount Kailash has never been scaled successfully by any mountaineering team. There have been numerous attempts made to reach the summit of the mountain, but all fail to climb. The mountain mysteriously changes the target position, and the climber is left moving in the opposite direction, instead of reaching the summit. According to Buddhist legends, a Buddhist monk, Milarepa, is the only one to ever reach the summit of Mount Kailash. The Chinese government has now banned all mountaineering expeditions on Mount Kailash due to religious reasons. 10. Om. At sunset, you may get to see the shadows form the symbol of Om on the mountain when the sun sets every day. Researcher says the sun god pays homage to Lord Shiva. So friends, what do you think about this? Please share your views in comment box. And please, do like, share, and subscribe our channel. And also press the bell icon for more updates of interesting secret facts. Till then, thanks.